In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add your bank account to IC Capital Markets. You want to go on withdraw. From the drop down where you see withdraw method, select bank transfer, and then here you have the option to add your bank details. So you're going to select add bank detail. Again, you're going to select add your bank account details. Now, all you need to do is provide all the information that is required. So you're going to provide the bank name, bank account number, the IBAN code, or your SWIFT code, your intermediary bank if one is used, the intermediary SWIFT bank code, bank account is in. Now, if you don't see a currency bank account here, what you can do is select the USD, and then your local bank will convert the money back to US dollars. And then you can choose to add additional information about your account and basically select save. Now please note, for first wire transfer withdrawals, they require that you provide with supporting documents like your bank statement, right? So you select upload to upload the bank statement to support your bank account. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.